Me out at you here in downtown Akron. See what it's like here Saturday night, for Labor Day weekend, and just see what's going on. Anyways, here we are at Summit and East Market Street. There's this full grip games, board games and stuff. I don't know if it's a tournament or something. Cool. Big switch up. Some gaming going on. Still at it. Going on. That was interesting.
I'm going to have to ask you to leave. I will call the cops for trespassing. Want to answer the question? Alright, that's the one. My coworker called the cops on you, so we don't know what's going on. Okay. I'm just giving you a warning, buddy. You have a camera off.
can't hear.
Oh, you know, the fireworks.
I can't hear you over that.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Give it a second.
Yeah.
I'm done. Wait for the fireworks to be done.
It's too much noise.
Yeah, I don't feel like yelling right now.
No, none of us need to.
So,
There's no need to yell.
yeah, I'm not trying to talk
It's
about
such a beautiful night.
Yeah.
I don't want to catch the rest of this. It's like we're having a holiday or something, huh?
Yeah.
I think it's quiet enough. You think it's quiet enough?
I think so.
They might have a finale though, but you
Okay,
know.
well, it gets to that way a little bit. But basically, the business here, I they called us. I guess they actually.
Yeah, they told me that they were calling the police on me, so I wait. I don't run from police. I wait until you get
You're
here.
good, man.
Yeah.
Listen, you're on the public side.
Yeah, I know.
It's not illegal to do what you're doing.
I know.
So essentially, I'm just going to inform you that they called us.
I know.
After this.
You gonna let them know that I'm not?
Huh?
You gonna let them know I'm not doing anything illegal?
I'll tell them.
Okay.
I will call them. Yeah, we're going to talk to them.
Yeah. I'm waiting. I'm gonna say something. Timing's everything. Oh.
Oh, no, the strap or is that
Yeah, well,
yeah.
that's what happens when you buy stuff on Amazon. So,
Yeah.
like I was saying, I know you guys got to go in there, talk to them and stuff, and basically, once you guys are gone, I'm gone.
Okay.
You know.
Alright.
How you doing? I'm doing good. It's beautiful out here.
Hey, Lenny, I'm gonna grab some of your information, right? Is that your first name? Like, it's actually Lenny, or is that... Sorry, or what's your first name?
What?
What's your first name, sir?
Oh, that's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's
You can call me Captain America
Okay. No,
or Mr. Freedom. I like that one too.
so basically, I mean, they're just making them uncomfortable, so I mean, my best to just move
And
on
I was
from there.
just coming by here because I play Magic the Gathering.
Yeah.
And I saw a place that's playing it. I'm recording for a little while, and then somebody comes out here telling me what to do. It's like, go back inside. Let me finish what I'm doing, and I'll be gone. But if you want,
fireworks or
no, I've recorded. There was a wedding over here.
Okay.
That was I recorded that. I recorded some of the bars downtown. So recorded some of the people partying. You know, yeah.
Okay.
Just out recording.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you can record, but it sounds like they don't want you anywhere near this property. So I mean, just 'cause you're making them uncomfortable. So
Well,
I mean,
I'm in public, right?
Yeah,
I can leave when I want
Listen,
because I'm not breaking any laws.
I'm just kind of like letting you know.
I know.
I mean,
But
I mean, it just
like I said this earlier. Once you guys leave, I leave.
fair enough.
Okay, cool.
Fair enough. Good deal.
I'm not trying to give you guys a hard time. I want to see you shine.
Yeah, no,
I've had some really good confrontations, if I say that, with police officers.
I get it. That's what.
So
That's all. I just want to get accomplished tonight.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, they'll.
like I said, you're
Like I
allowed
said,
to record.
once you guys are gone, I'm gone. They'll be fine. They were fine the whole time. It's just a camera, you know. So everything else is for my protection. Because people don't like camera people. Pardon? Somebody said that?
Yeah.
Who? Oh, really? Okay.
So you do?
Sometimes if the footage is good, yeah.
It's specific to like games, or what do you do?
No,
What's your channel about?
just filming in public, you know, because it's something you're allowed to do. I just do it. I film everywhere. So.
You don't have like a niche for your videos, or what?
First Amendment auditing. Occasionally Second Amendment auditing, you know.
All right, my man.
But somebody called me Lenny.
Yeah, that's the YouTube channel they gave us.
Lenny? Like Lenny and Squiggy?
So I don't know. They said something about that, so that's why I assumed your first name was Lenny.
Nope.
No. That's my mistake. So.
That's okay. That's all right. We're all allowed to make mistakes. That's what makes us human.
So, have a good night.
Yeah, you guys too. Like I said, I'll be gone shortly.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Thanks. Later, Sarge. Adios, amigos. Alright guys, it's Lemmy Odyssey out on a Saturday night outside Fort Worth. They called the police. 5 or 6 of them showed up. But hey, all in all, cool night. These guys are having some fun playing Magic the Gathering, which is kind of cool. It's a little late. I'm gonna get home. But check this place out. Full grip games. If you like board games, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, Magic the Gathering, there's lots of people there that would like to play with you. Let me ask you. I'm out.